July 5th, 2017 was a regular hot summer day in Williams Lake, British Columbia. People were wandering about Scout Island. The river was gently flowing in the valley. People sunbathed along the beach. It was business as usual downtown. Little did they know that a storm was brewing in. The next day, however, everything changed. Lightning began to strike on the horizon, and before you knew it, there were fires everywhere.
The fight continues.
Burnt down.
Homes destroyed, tens of thousands of evacuees on the move.
It was July 6, 2017 at 10 p.m. Dave Dixon, the manager of Emergency Social Services for Williams Lake in the Caribou Regional District, had just gotten into bed when suddenly he received the worst call ever.
To bed at 10 o'clock and the phone rang at 10 after 10 and I thought, who's calling me? Because being involved in emergency services for pretty well all my career, you always, you take your phone to your bedside at night. Everybody, and then when the order came that night about 6 o'clock, when the fire was just down Soda Creek a short distance, there was a very good chance that if the wind changed or anything changed to the adversely, Williams Lake would be in jeopardy. When the night that we did tell people to evacuate, we couldn't go north. We had no place to go west because the fire was out there. There was no sense of sending them towards Horsefly Likely because the road was closed out there, and Horsefly and Likely have no hotel accommodation. So we had no choice but to send them to Kamloops.
On those larger shelters and making sure that they're able to meet the needs right on the ground in their hometown.
Okay, and if it's not about opening up your home, what are some other ways people can help?
The Red Cross is very grateful for all of the financial donations that we've received to date.
Meanwhile, fire inspectors were on the lookout for the cause of the fire. While 60% of wildfires in BC are caused by natural causes such as lightning, the other 40% are caused by humans, whether on purpose or negligence. Wildfire inspectors discovered that the Gustafson fire had been caused by such human neglect when they found ammunition at the starting point. The White Lake Fire, the main source of Williams Lake evacuation, was discovered to have been caused by lightning. 2017 will forever be recalled by its residents, the year that lightning struck.